Welcome to sixth grade science. I'm excited to get to know you. I'm Miss Nishikawa, and I'm going to give you a quick orientation to our science course so you know what to expect for this year. So when you first log into science, this is what you're going to see. Welcome to Guilford's e-learning prep. Welcome to sixth grade science. So the first thing I want to point out is, how do you get in touch with me? So I'm Miss Nishikawa. I'm sixth grade science. I will also be your math teacher. So this is my email and my phone number. As you are needing anything, you can call or text this number. Make sure if you're texting me, because I don't have your number, that you include your name. You can also sign up for my Remind by texting at Nishikawa6 to 81010, or you can just click on this image and it will help you sign up. On Mondays, I will have office hours from 10 to 11. Tuesday and Thursday, I also have office hours 10 to 11, but those are for math. Wednesday nights, I have office hours from 7 to 8 p.m., and that's math or science. If you need me on Sunday, you can call me or text me between 4 and 5, and I can also get on and video chat with you if I need to help you with something. So if you need to reach me at office hours or any of our live sessions or small group meetings, you will click on this video chat icon. So any of this image, this Bitmoji, will take you there. And it's located in different places throughout our Canvas page. So we have a Meet the Teacher, and you take the time, you can go through here and get to know me a little bit. You'll see pictures of my cats, my kids, some of the activities I like to do. I'm a photographer. I love to camp and hike, and you can read through this. Getting started. This is going to give you the basic information that you need. You are going to have 7 units in science. Take time and read through this. There's a lot of important information. We will have discussions, assignments and tasks, quizzes, as well as tests and projects. And we'll also have some labs and other activities throughout, but this is how you will be graded for your percentage. Here's my late work policy. Take time and read through that. You are responsible to know the information on here. I'm excited to have you. You should expect to be spending about 1 hour a day, Monday through Friday, on science. It doesn't matter if you do it at night or in the morning, but you're gonna have 5 days worth of work, and you can even do it on the weekend, but you can't do all of it on the weekend because you won't have enough time. It'll be too much for you. So each week I will update this where you click here, and that will take you to the current week. So for instance, August 31st through September 4th. So this week I'm not going to have office hours because the teachers were still doing some trainings and things, but I will have Monday from 12 to 1. You can bring your lunch and come meet me. I'll be doing Mondays, lunch munch Monday quite often, and it is not about school. It's just a time to hang out and get to know each other. And you'll click this and this will open a meeting. This will be a separate meeting, so please click here if you need me. I'll also be doing a photography club, and this is just a session that you can use to come learn a little bit about it, but I don't know what day it's going to be happening always yet. When you start looking into later weeks, you might come to a page. For instance, if I hit this page, it's going to say not yet available. That means that those assignments have not been posted yet, and you are not ready to work in that course in that week. So I'm trying to work ahead of you all so that you can work ahead. So always start at the top. So Monday, because of Labor Day, we won't have school, and you'll need to be doing your unit pre-assessment, as well as these other activities. I'll have live sessions this Wednesday from 10 to 11 on atoms. And that's going to be this same Nearpod, but we're going to do it together. And because we don't have school Monday, I am going to do our lunch for this week that Wednesday. So always read through this each week so you know if there's any changes in schedules or if I have other meetings, things can change. Take your time. Each day should be about an hour. I put next to the assignments, as you can see, the Adams vocabulary should take you about 15 minutes. If you're finding you're spending, an hour on one activity, reach out to me so we can figure out why is that happening. If you're, give or take 10 minutes of the times I post here, if it's taking you much longer than that, let me know so that we can figure out why is that happening. Do you need some more help or what's going on? I'm still getting used to teaching online, so I might make an activity that takes you way too long. Now, if it's just you, then we're going to figure out why. But if everybody emails me and say, hey, that Nearpod took me an hour and a half, and then we'll problem solve that together. So down here at the bottom, take the time. We're going to be using Microsoft Teams a lot. I'm going to introduce it to you and help you learn how to make it work. Again, to join my office hours or other meetings, you can click this video chat icon. Discovery Education, we're going to be using this a lot, as well as STEM Scopes. OneDrive, this is what you're going to use that Microsoft login for, which is your student ID number at stu.gcsnc.com. This is where you can maybe work on a Word document or a PowerPoint. I need everybody to set up their email. So that's actually going to be a task that you are given to do, is set up your email, because you need to check your email every day, just once, but every day. Because if I have made a meeting for you, that's not just an office hours, but if like me and you need to have a meeting, I'm going to email you so that we can get it figured out. So you need to check your email every day. That's different from this inbox over here. It's your actual email. So you're going to click on this link and you're going to log in with your student ID number at stu.gcsnc.com. And then your password is your birthday. For instance, if you were February 2nd, 2009, it would be 02022009, no slashes. So make sure you set that up today. So my live sessions, as I said previously, are usually going to be on Wednesdays for science. So if you come in here to conferences, my office hours are Monday 10 to 11. Wednesday night is math and science from 7 to 8. But then I will also have a live lesson on Wednesdays from 10 to 11 a.m. So what if you need to request a meeting with me? Maybe you're struggling with some assignments, or you're not doing as well as you want, or you want to meet with me to talk about your grades or a project or anything. This is where you're going to come, your meeting request. So click on it and you're going to fill out this form. Your first and last name. Do not just include your first name, because I might have more than one person with your name. I have a lot of students, so please include your first and last name. Your GCS email, that is that number, your student ID number at stu.gcsnc.com. That is what it's going to look like. Then you're going to pick the day of the week in the next 7 days. So if this is a Monday and you want to meet with me on Tuesday, you would select Tuesday. If you want to meet with me on Friday, put Friday. If you don't care what day, you can put other. Or if you want to meet just Tuesday or Thursday, you can write Tuesday or Thursday. And then what time works for you, in the morning between 9 and 12, or afternoon between 1 and 4. If there's some other time that you need to meet that doesn't meet one of these, you'd hit other and type it in here. And then tell me why you need a meeting. Is it about your grades? Is it about a project or a test? Let me know what you need. It can also be, I just feel like I'm struggling and want to talk to you. You can say, I'm just not sure, but I want a meeting, and then hit submit. When that happens, I get an email. When I get that email, I'm going to schedule a conference with you. So you will get an email with the day and the time that matches what you said. and that will show up in your Outlook. So again, set up this email and check it every day. It's super, super important. So we're going to be meeting in Microsoft Teams. You will get to Microsoft Teams meetings by clicking on this video chat right here. Or if it's a one-on-one meeting, then it's going to be through the link I send you into your email. You should expect to be spending about 1 hour every day doing work. If you're spending more than an hour 15 minutes, please reach out and let me know. Your projects that I will assign need to be done over a few days. So that means you might spend 20 minutes on Monday and 10 minutes on Tuesday and another 30 minutes on Wednesday. Your projects might be like an hour or 2 hour long project, but you're going to spread it out over the week. So it is not going to be something I expect you to do in one sitting. If you need anything, let me know. I don't want anyone to feel alone during this time. I know we're working on a computer, but I don't want you to feel like you're learning from a computer. I hope this kind of shows you around and how to navigate. We're going to be setting up our math course in a very similar way. So I hope that helps us. I'm here for you. You are going to be responsible for reaching out to me if you need help. I will reach out to you when there's a problem. I will contact parents if I need to, but you're becoming young adults and you're learning how to manage yourself and manage your time. And I realize that you're learning that. So we're going to work together and help you on that. Make sure you're checking the schedule. Do a little bit of work every single day. Monday through Friday. You don't have to work on the weekends unless you choose to. But do a little bit every day so that you don't wait till Sunday at 4 o'clock in the afternoon and have a whole week's worth of work. You're not going to get it done. And if something comes up, you get sick, things like that, reach out, let me know, and I'll work with you and your parent. But if you're consistently not turning in your work, it is going to hurt your grade. You will have points come off. This is middle school, so I'm not going to chase you down. I'll send you reminders, but you are the one responsible for your grade. I'm not responsible, and your parent's not responsible. You are, because you're becoming an adult. You're in middle school now in 6th grade. So I'm here to help you. I want to help you, and I will do my best. But please let me know how I can help you, and try to be responsible and communicate with me. I look forward to getting to know you. I'm so glad that you're in my math and my science class, and I can't wait until I see you in class.